We have meteorologist Travis Clark-Smith. He is live there in North Iowa near Ventura. You can kind of see, I think, Clear Lake there in the background, at least the lake there. And Travis, I want you to talk about kind of what you're seeing out there. I know the clouds are starting to roll in. It's been a warm day with those temperatures in the 70s here across North Iowa and really setting the stage for the severe weather.
Hey, Aaron, you are absolutely right. And you mentioned a couple of the ingredients that are needed for severe weather. That's warmth and moisture. We've definitely had quite a bit of that today. You also need lift and instability to help build those thunderstorms and make them strong to severe. Those ingredients are definitely there locally. However, there is a layer up in the atmosphere, a warmer layer that kind of acts as a cap or a lid on those thunderstorms. And as of right now, we've been looking at, there looks to be like that cap is in place, but it could change and go away and make those thunderstorms grow in our area. And of course, we are watching for that as we do have that severe thunderstorm watch out. Now we do, this is the warm air and the cold air. That's the collision of those air masses. That is what leads to these thunderstorms. It's the fight of the seasons between the spring and the winter. And even looking out here at Clear Lake, you can see that. I'll show you an example here if Hunter can kind of zoom in out there. There's still ice out here on Clear Lake. It's about 50% ice free. So yeah, the winter, examples of winter are still there as we're dealing with the incoming clouds and the incoming storms. So definitely those ingredients are all there, and we are continuing to watch for those storms to come our way.
All right, thank you, Travis. And now I wanted to ask just a question about the wind speeds. I know you're driving down there. Were the winds pretty strong as you were driving down there? It doesn't look like it's too windy there at the moment, but I'm sure the winds were pretty fierce at one point.
Yeah, as we were heading towards Mason City, winds were kind of strong, but as the afternoon has wore on and we've kind of made our way out to Clear Lake, it's kind of lightened up quite a bit on the winds.
Okay, and yeah, it might just be a lull in the wind right now, but I'm sure those winds are going to be picking up right as we get that storm really moving in, especially when we're tracking these storms making their way through. So thank you, Travis, for that update. But as we talk about the storms right now, again, we have that severe thunderstorm watch that was just recently issued here in the last half hour. This is in effect until 1 o'clock in the morning, so we have a long ways to go.